everyone. My name is Ashok, and today's topic is binary search. So, first of all, binary search follows the method is divide and conquer. So, divide and conquer means first of all we see about divide and conquer. So, problem which is given, that is problem is divided into multiple sub problems. So, by dividing the given problem into multiple sub problems and we solve them individually, solution for the problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, and we obtain the each and every solution for the given problem, and this is called divide. So, the conquer part is we are combining all the solutions and we obtain the actual solution for the given problem. So, the divide and conquer method used to solve the problem by dividing it into multiple small problems and solving each individually. Each and every problem is solved and we get the solution for that problem. And conquer means combine all the solutions, individual solutions into individual multiple solutions to form the solution for the actual given problem. So that is the divide and conquer method used to solve the given problem. So in divide and conquer we divide the problem into multiple number of solutions and problems and individually find the solutions, and after finding the solutions we combine all the solutions to form the actual problem solution. So here binary search to solve or find the desired key, which is we want to search in the element given array of element list of elements. We use the key, whatever it is, we want to search in the given array of elements. In binary search we follow the divide conquer procedure. So to apply the divide and conquer for the given list, first of all, the list must be in sorted order. So whatever the list we are having, array of list, that must be in a sorted order. So the next one is key element. Key elements in the sense what the element or or a number we want to search in the given array. So that is the key element. And to apply the divide and conquer method to solve the or find the desired key in the array, by applying the binary search, so we must calculate the middle of the element. So the mid element is calculated by taking the given array of elements and apply the indexing values low and high. So low means first element, high means last element of the given array. So the middle element is calculated by using the formula mid equals to low plus high by 2, and we apply the flooring for the given whatever we obtain, that should be applied with floor. So sometimes we may get 2.5, so when we apply 2 floor should be 2. Likewise we calculate middle of the element and then apply the operations or step by step procedures to find the key element in the given array. So we found the middle of the element and we need to find the our key element in the given list. So to find the key we need to follow these three operations or steps. So first when we calculate the middle of the element, then first we search with the key element. So whatever the middle of the element is found is equals to key element, okay, that should be returned with the position. So middle of the, so array of the mid is the what we searching key element. So these two are equal, so we return the array of the middle. So that means the position of the, okay, so we found at the this position, okay, desired key. So if the condition is fails, then we go for the key less than the middle element. So if the key is less than the middle element, so then we go for the left list. That means, so by finding the middle of the element, we divide the list into left of the mid and right of the mid. So the condition is true, then we go for left of the list. So we search in the left side of the middle of the element, and if the condition is false, then we check for key is greater than middle of the element. So if the key value is greater than the middle of the element, then we search in the right list. So that should be in the right side of the middle of the element. So we take the example and look into the bind search, how we apply to find the desired key in the a given array of the element. Okay, now take the example 1. Okay, so the elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So consider the elements are in sorted order. So first we have to check that elements are in sorted order or not. So the elements are in sorted order. So apply, okay, first whatever the positions we are having. So these are in the array form. So we take the elements in the array form. So for first of all we have to apply the index values for the, okay, given arrays. So this is low and this is the high index of the array. So first of all we have to calculate the middle of the element. So the to calculate the middle of the element, okay, we have the formula, that is low plus high by 2. So by this formula we calculate the middle of the element. First low value is 0 and high value is 5. So by 2, that gives 2.5. So these are the floor values. Okay, we are finding the floor of the given, okay, whatever we obtain, we are going to be floor the value. So that should be 2. Okay, so our middle element is 2. Okay, that element will be, okay, this element will be middle of the element, okay, middle of the array, middle element, and the key, and we have to know the key. So first of all we have to know the key whatever we want to search in the given array. So the key will be considered, it will be 50. Okay, if it is 50, so we have to calculate the 50 in the given array. So consider, okay, key is 50 and middle of the element is, middle element is 2. Okay, whatever the index value 2, that is a of 2 will be 30. Okay, middle element is 30 and key value is 50. So first condition is key equals to mid, that is a of mid. Okay, that is key is 50 and that is equals to a of mid, that is 30. Okay, if the condition is true, no, this is false. Okay, these two are not equal. So next condition we have to be search. So the next condition is key less than A of middle of the element. So check the condition. Key value is 50 less than the A of middle element, that is 30. Okay, a middle element key is not less than the middle of the element. So we have to search in. Okay, so we go for this condition also be failed. So we go for the next condition, key greater than array of middle element. The key value is 50 and greater than the middle element, that is 30. So ikkada key, here key is 50 and middle element is 30. So key is greater than the middle of the element. Then this condition is true and we go for the right sublist of the array, given array. So here we are applying divide and conquer. So whenever we found the list is divided into left and right sub list. Okay, so the list is divided into left and right sub list. So we go for right list, so that will be 40, 50, 60. These are the right sub list of the middle element. So here index positions are 3, 4, 5, and again we have to apply the divide and conquer. So we have to know the index values. Low, that will be low index positions, and high. Now we are having index positions low and high, so we have to calculate the middle of the element. So formula is low plus high by 2 and floor will be applied. So low value is 3, high is 5, and we get 8 by 2, that will be 4. Middle of the element is fourth element. That is A of middle of the element is 50, fourth element is 50. So this is the middle element. So we have the middle element, 50. Now we check for the conditions or operations we perform now onwards. Key equals to mid. So key value is 50. Whatever we want to search, that is key is 50, and equals to middle of the element is now, which is also 50. So those are equal. Yes. So we found the key element at position, so that is array of made 50 at fourth location. So we found element key which is in the given array by applying the binary search. Thank you all.